Hi everyone, my name is Rajeev Chaudhary. I am associate with Association of Professional Social Work and Development Practitioners, APSWDP, India. So this association is from last 10 years, and I have a great learning experience with the APSWDP, uh, maybe through the participation in the various international events. So today I am here in RBHR 2025 at Bangkok, Thailand. And this time, it's not just a participation as a delegate, but I'm also speaking in one of the sessions, and our organization is also organizing one sessions. In addition to that, we are having exhibition space for sharing our resources with a global audience. Thank you.